Hey everyone, don't you agree that AliExpress is the poor man's Amazon? Sure, you can get the same stuff from Amazon, but who doesn't want to save $5 to $10 on a product with free shipping? The other day I was tech window shopping on AliExpress and found this really cool looking mouse. It's called the Xiaomi Lofree mouse. I'm not sure, but I think the Lofree company was a startup which was brought by Xiaomi. I ordered the mouse for my fiance and received it in almost 3 weeks. One of which was a holiday, so you might receive it early. I've put the link in the description below for you to buy the mouse. It costs $35 plus $4 shipping, and I say is worth the money, especially for the unique design you get. Let's do a quick unboxing of the mouse and see what we get. The packaging is really nice and cute, and my fiance really fancied the design. You pull two tabs to get to the plastic casing of the mouse, which you can easily pull apart. No need for scissors or knife. The unboxing experience is really good. As you can see, the mouse comes in blue teal color and has 6 buttons. 4 separate ones and 2 on the 2 scroll wheels. The buttons have a nice clicky feel to them, and yes, you heard it right, the mouse comes with 2 scroll wheels, with the one on the side precisely placed next to your thumb. It can be used for zooming in and out, and I'm not sure, but for panning sideways as well. The mouse has built-in battery and can be charged with the micro USB cable. It can be connected through Bluetooth or with the accompanying dongle. While the dongle connection felt smooth and precise, I wouldn't say the same for the Bluetooth, which felt a bit buggy. As you can see, the mouse feels decent in my pretty big hands, with the weight getting a good rating as well. Overall, from the very short experience I had with the mouse, I'd say I really liked it. While it's not meant for gaming, I would definitely recommend it to content creators. I would give it a 7 out of 10 score. I hope you liked this video, as there weren't reviews and unboxings available for the mouse in English. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one, and with other amazing cheap products.